Banking Law Notes by MG Law. So, what we will study here: bank, banking company, customer. Page number 6. Bank. So, first we will see definition of bank. What is bank? We will cover two definitions, one by R.N. Chaudhary, another by Britannica. So, what Mr. R.N. Chaudhary says: bank is a banking company which trades in money. So there are two important points. That bank is a banking company and it trades in money. What does the Britannica's definition says? Bank is an institution that deals in money. So here also two important points, that it's an institution that deals in money and it substitutes and provides other money related services. So main points are that bank is a banking company or institution, and another point is that it deals in money or trades in money. So here we complete definition of bank. Now we will see definition of banking. What is banking? So according to Banking Regulation Act 1949, it's section 5B. It says that banking is defined as acceptability of deposits of money from public for the purpose of lending or investment, repayable on demand or otherwise, withdrawable by check, draft, order or otherwise. So these 4 points should be covered if we want to write the definition of banking. What these 4 points are: first is acceptability of deposits of money from public, that the, there should be acceptability of deposits which the money of public, which the public deposits. Okay. Second purpose is for this, what to do with these deposits. Its purpose is for lending, for loan advances and for investment. Third is that whenever there is a demand or otherwise for the money, that it can be repayable. Fourth is how to withdraw that money: by check, draft, otherwise, order or otherwise. So 4 points: acceptability of deposits, second is lending, third is repay, fourth is withdraw. These 4 points make the definition of banking. Okay. One extra point: whatever bank does is banking. Next topic is banking company. What is a banking company? So you can see from the term that any company which does banking is called a banking company. Okay. So official definition we will get from Banking Regulation Act. It's section 5B and 5C says any company which transacts the business of banking in India. Okay, so 2 points: it should be a company and it should do banking. Okay, so we have seen that there are 4 conditions in banking which makes the definition of banking, and plus if we add one more term, company, then it becomes banking company. What were the 4 conditions of banking? Accept deposit, lending, purpose or investment, repayable on demand or otherwise, withdraw by check. These were the conditions of banking. And one more condition, that the institution must be a company as defined under section 3 of Companies Act. Banking plus company equals to banking company. What is the difference between bank and banking company? So before nationalization, these banks were called banking companies. After nationalization, these banking companies became banks. So all nationalized banking companies became banks. That was the difference. So which companies are not banking companies? So companies engaged in goods manufacture and trade, these are not banking companies. How? Although they accept public deposits, but they accept it merely to finance its business. Their main motive is to finance their business. It's for their own purpose. It's not for the presented purpose of lending investment, which were the conditions of banking, and not in the prescribed manner how the banks take deposit, withdraw, repay. So these companies are not called banking companies. Next topic, who is a customer? A person can become a customer by fulfilling these two conditions. First is by opening an account in the bank, and second, he should start a transaction. Even if the first transaction takes place, he will become a customer. What if a person does not have a bank account but makes a casual transaction through bank? Then he will not be a customer. Like if we go to a bank and we apply to make draft without an account, they will make the draft without an account, but then we will not be a customer even though we are doing a transaction through the bank. Sir John Paget said that there should be some continuity in dealing, there should be some continuity, like there should be transactions keep on going by the customer through the bank. But in the case of Commissioner of Taxation versus english English, Scottish, and Australian bank, it was said that the duration is not of essence. That duration is not the main point. Even a single transaction will make a person a customer. Like in the Savory and Company versus Lloyd's Bank Limited, it was said that even a single transaction will make a customer. Then next point is relationship between customer and banker. So the first can be of the relation of debtor and creditor, like when you deposit money in your savings account or you make fixed deposit in a bank, then you are a creditor and the bank is a debtor, and he will pay, the bank will pay interest to you. And when you take loan from the bank, then bank is a creditor and you are a debtor, and you will pay interest to the bank. In Iksha versus Nath case, it was said that if you deposit money in the bank, if money is deposited, then it becomes a property of the banker. It is absolutely at his disposal. He can do whatever he wants with that money. You cannot direct the bank that what it should do with that money. Second type of relationship is contractual relationship. Mere opening of account by customer and acceptance by banker will make a contractual relationship. Like when you go to a bank, you fill a form, you paste picture your picture there, you sign the terms and conditions, you fill all the information, it's a contract. If you go to a bank and you open an account there and the bank accepts it, then there will be a contract between you and the bank. Third relationship, agency relationship. The bank will act as an agent on behalf of a customer. Like when they sell or buy securities, they sell or buy on the customer's behalf. They collect checks and promissory notes on the customer's behalf, so they are acting like an agent. Next relationship, affording facility of drawing funds. Draw funds by issue of check. When you issue check, then the bank will provide facility of drawing the funds. Okay. Next point is bank's refusal to provide service to customer is not proper. It was said by Supreme Court in Purewell and Association versus PNB, Punjab National Bank. Bank should not refuse to provide service to a customer. This relationship is to be maintained meticulously. Okay, the responsibility is on both of them. The customer and the banker both should maintain by fair action. Their actions should be fair. They should be prompt. There should be promptness, no delay, without delay, and there should be observance of rule of law. They both should follow the rules of law. Otherwise, the defaulter, whoever will make the mistake, will be liable for the offense or the loss. Okay. So what we have covered? We have covered what is a bank. In in it we covered definition by R.N. Chaudhary and Britannica. R.N. Chaudhary said that it is a banking company that deals in money or trades in money. Britannica said that it's an institution that deals in money or trades in money. Okay. Next was banking. In banking, we saw that there should be four conditions: accepting deposit, lending, repay, and withdraw. These will make banking. And next was banking companies. So these four conditions of banking plus the conditions of company, like institution. Under institution should be a company under section 3 of Companies Act. Okay. Then next was customer. Who is a customer? A customer, like two conditions: open account plus start transaction. These two conditions should be fulfilled to say that a person is a customer. In it we saw cases like Commissioner of Taxation versus English, Scottish, and Australian Bank. Another case was of Savory versus Lloyd. Next was relationship between customer and banker, like it was like contractual relationship, agency agency relationship. He was the bank was acting like an agent. How both should maintain their relationship, etc. So the main definition topics of banking companies, customer, it's done now. If anybody is interested to get this PDF of the notes, they will get it in the comment or description box. If they are interested, they can take it from there. Next topic will be services functions of bank. We will cover it in the next video.